Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to share with you all 3 expensive products that you can make at home with minimal effort and unnecessary expense. I'm going to show you a multivitamin powder. Basically, making this facial powder will cost you nothing, because to prepare this multivitamin powder we are going to use leftover peels of fruits and vegetables. I have with me some leftover peels of orange, lemon, lime and aloe vera. So before using, make sure to wash the peels thoroughly. You can sun dry them for 1 day. So just grind until you get a fine powder. Now the next step is optional. You can add 2 drops of rose auto essential oil. Store in a clean glass bottle in a dark, cool place for 15 days or in the refrigerator for up to 30 days. So to use as a face pack, combine 1 tablespoon of this powder with milk or yogurt. And apply for 10 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. To use it as a facial scrub, combine half teaspoon of this multivitamin powder with coconut oil or olive oil and scrub for a minute and then rinse off with cool water. Rich in vitamin A, C and E, this homemade multivitamin powder helps improve skin texture and appearance by enhancing cell renewal process. The antioxidant properties fight skin damaging free radicals and protect against skin aging. This powder brings a terrific youthful glow to your skin. So you need 1 large pomegranate. Cut the pomegranate into small pieces along with the peel. Make sure you are using a ripe pomegranate. You also need coconut oil. If you don't like coconut oil, you can replace it with olive oil and sweet almond oil. Put into the mixer and grind. Heat a pan on low flame, then add half cup of carrier oil. So here I am using 1/4 cup of sweet almond oil plus 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Then add the pomegranate paste. Heat the mixture under a low flame until it stops bubbling. Let it cool down completely. Place a clean thin cloth such as cheesecloth on top of the bowl. Squeeze the sack of pomegranate pulp over a bowl to strain out the oil. Store in a dark glass bottle. You can add a drop of essential oil of your choice. So apply 4 to 5 drops of oil onto the palm of your hand and with your finger dab the oil in small dots onto clean skin. Then gently smooth and press the oil onto your face and neck using the whole surface of your hands. Smooth the oils from nose to ears and neck to jawline. This oil helps your skin to regenerate and repair. You will see a reduction in the appearance of fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and your skin will appear firm and tight, and also it will give your skin a gorgeous glow. You can use this day and night. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is 100% pure organic avocado oil. So here you need 1 or 2 large avocados. So here I'm using the organic one. Use a spoon to scoop out the pulp of the avocado and deposit in a food processor or blender. Grind the avocado pulp until it forms a smooth paste. Heat the avocado mixture on a low flame for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring every 3 minutes. Keep cooking and stirring the mixture until the avocado changes from a light green to a dark green or brown. So once you notice the avocado oil rising to the top, remove from heat. Now place a clean thin cloth such as cheesecloth on top of the bowl. Squeeze the sack of avocado pulp over a bowl to strain out the oil. So if you have used only 2 avocados, you'll get very little oil. But the oil is 100% pure and it will give you superb results. You can add 2 drops of this oil to a favorite cream or moisturizer, or you can directly apply it on your face. Avocado is a great moisturizer for skin and conditioner for your hair. Friends, I hope you found this video useful. If you want to see more such natural beauty tips, then subscribe to our channel. Take care and bye.